Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan. Thanks so much for watching this video. Did you know that the month of June is Audiobook Month? Well, it is. Yeah, just in case you didn't know. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about audiobooks, audiobook narration, and how to get jobs without auditioning. How to get audiobook narration jobs without auditioning. Please be sure to like, please be sure to subscribe, and let me tell you my tip. To get work without auditioning, it seems impossible, but it's really not. And here's the tip. Just talk about what you do. Talk about what your job is. Since we work from home, when you narrate audiobooks, when you're a voice actor, you're going to work from home. You're going to have a studio that's all set up. You're basically going to be by yourself a lot. So hopefully by this point you've figured out that you got to join some clubs. You got to get out there and you got to join some networking groups and just some other business groups in general. So for me, I have actually gotten audiobook narration work by being part of these groups. Now for me, because I like to go to church, I've joined, a lot of these Christian networking groups where we meet once a month, where we meet once a week, the Women's Business League, the Christian Business League, the Catholic Business League. I'm a member of all of them. And whenever there's an expo, you can bet your bottom dollar I'm out there and I've got a display and I talk about what I do because I love what I do so much. And I get work by just talking about what I do and just going out and having fun. Now, if you are really shy and you think I can't go, I can't do that. Hey, don't worry about it. I was kind of like where you were too. I was really shy also. Here's how you change that. And, for me, going to the Christian groups, it kind of makes sense, but that's not where you have to go. There's a lot of networking groups that are out there that are for anybody. Anybody can join it. So what I would do, I would just think, I'm just here to meet people. I'm just here. I'd walk into these networking events. I didn't know anybody. And I just think, I'm just here and I'm just going to try to make a friend. I know there's somebody else who's going to be in my situation who doesn't know anybody. I'm just going to be nice to them and make friends with them. And hey, lo and behold, I actually made some friends and, kind of formed a group and talked about what I did. And I not only made friends, but I got work. So it was, a lot of nice benefits from that. Talking about what you do, period. I actually got work the other day from being at Planet Fitness. I was working out and I started talking to this guy and he was saying that his daughter lives in New York. And I was like, okay, what does your daughter do in New York? Well, she's an actor, but, she can't get any jobs because of COVID. And so I got to say, well, she really ought to consider voice acting. And we talked about it and I gave him my website and he's hired me to do some work for him. So my tip for you today about getting work without auditioning, it sounds crazy, but you just talk about what you do. Now, you don't go with the end of I'm going to talk about what I do so I can get work. You're just talking about what you do to be friendly. That's all you're doing. You're just talking about what you do to be a nice person and to be helpful. And just know that your services may really help somebody out. They may be in a bind. They may need somebody to do a voiceover for their phone system. Maybe they need somebody to do a voiceover for an e-learning project. And they're like, we have this, but it sucks. And could you do it? Could you redo the voice? And you're like, I would love to. So talk about what you do and just practice it. It may feel a little uncomfortable, but, in your email, make sure that in your email it says, hey, I'm a voice actor. This is what I do, all of your voiceover needs with your headshot on it. Make sure that everybody knows that you are the person to go to when they need a voice. So that is my tip for you. Talk about what you do, and I promise you'll get work. Maybe not right away, but it'll happen. And when it does, it'll be amazing because you didn't have to audition for it. So that is my tip. Again, please like, please subscribe, and keep going. You're doing great. You really are. I'm proud of you, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day.